how to see your saved Gmail password on your iPhone. So if you've forgotten the password to your Gmail account, this can actually sometimes be saved on your iPhone itself. Now, the first thing you need to do is just go and use the search box to search for passwords and go and open up this app. You can then click on the search box in the bottom navigation. You can then search for the word Google, click on the Google account that you want to view the password for, and then you can click on the password field in order to reveal that password. Now, if you can't find it from here, another place that we can look is you'll just need to go and open up an internet browser on your phone. From the Google homepage, make sure you're signed in to your Google account. You can then click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and select manage your Google account. Now click on the search box and go and type in passwords and then press search. You then need to click on the second option in the list, which is password manager. You can now click on the search box again, and this time we're going to search for Google. If you see Google in the list, go and click on it like so. And once again, you can go and click on the password field in order to reveal your Gmail password. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.